Hello, good morning everyone. Today I am going to take a lecture of probability and statistics, chapter number 3, and our topic is the arithmetic mean. We have already seen in the previous lecture what is the formula of the simple mean and the formula of the assumed mean. Okay, so according to this, we have the question. The question, this is a different type of question because in this question we are given in only the column of f, not in the column of x, but we are given in the class interval. Okay, so example is the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Okay, second one is the number of students. That means this is the frequency. We are given in the frequency. Okay, frequency is 12, 18, 27, 20, 15, and 8. So in this question, we are not given in the value of x but given the class interval. Okay, for finding the mean, we have the column of x. Okay, so here given in the class interval, so first you mark the column of x. So with the help of class interval, first we write here the mid value. Mid value, that means 0 to 10, the mid value is 5. 10 to 20, mid value is 15. 20 to 30, mid value is 25. 30 to 40, mid value is 35. 40 to 50, mid value is 45. And 50 to 60, mid value is 55. So first, we mark the column of the mid value and we can say that this is your column of x. Okay. After that, we have the both the columns, column of x and f both. So first you write the formula of the arithmetic mean. Okay. So formula of the arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to summation fx upon capital N. Okay, here you see here the carefully we write here the capital N. Capital N, that means summation f. Okay, if a question given in only the x form, so in the denominator we write here the small n. Small n, that means the number of terms. Got it? So here we mark the column of fx. So column of fx, that means 12 into 5. 12 into 5, that means 60. 18 into 15 is equal to 270. 27 into 25 is equal to 675. 20 into 35 is equal to 700. 15 into 45 is equal to 675. 8 into 55 is equal to 440. Okay, so first we mark the column of the fx. After that, we write here the summation. So summation fx, that means what? So summation fx is equal to here 0 to 8 to 0. That means here the sum of all these values, so we get the 2, 8 and 0. That means this is your summation fx. Okay. So after that we write here the summation f. So summation f, that means summation f, that means we have the value of 100. Okay, this is your summation f. This is your summation x. Okay, so here the summation f is equal to 100. So put here x bar is equal to summation fx, that means 2820 divided by the summation f or capital N. So this is your value is 100. So answer is 28.2. Okay, so your x bar is equal to, that means arithmetic is equal to 28.2. Okay, so this is the example of the arithmetic mean, that is the simple way. Next example is depend on the assumed mean. So here one point is very important. In the class interval, see here, this is your lower limit and this is your upper limit. Okay, 0 is your lower limit and 10 is your upper limit. In the next interval, 10 is lower limit and 20 is upper limit. Okay, so here, see here carefully, the first interval is the upper limit is equal to a lower limit of the second interval. That means here 10, so here the value of 10, here 20 upper limit, so lower limit is 20, here 30, so here 30. So always keep in mind, if your question given in the class interval form, so always check the interval form is this type of interval, and this type of the interval we can set at the exclusive form. Okay, this is your exclusive form. Sometimes in your question the interval given in, for example, 0 to 9, after that 10 to 19, next one is the 20 to 29, the next interval is the 30 to 39. Okay, so in the first class interval, the upper limit of the first class interval is not equal to lower limit of the next class interval, because of here the value is 9 and here is the value of 10. Okay, so first you convert this form into the exclusive form. This is your exclusive form and this is your inclusive form. So don't be confused for exclusive and inclusive form. Always keep in mind, in the previous interval, the upper limit is equal to lower limit of the next interval. Okay, that is 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50. Okay, but in this interval, the upper limit is 9, so lower limit is 10. So this is not a proper form. Okay, so first you convert this type of the interval in this type of interval. That means the exclusive form. So always the process is that first you subtract the lower upper limit and next interval upper limit. That means 10 minus 9 is equal to what? 1 divided by 2. So 0.5. Got it? What is the process? Process is the upper limit of the first interval subtract by the lower limit of the second interval. So 10 minus 9, that means 1. 20 minus 19, that means 1. 30 minus 29, that means 1. Okay, and divided by 2. So 0.5. So this 0.5 you subtract the lower limit left hand side and add the right hand side. That means you have this interval converted into substrate form 0. That means here we write this 0.5. So in this type of question, your first term is not right here 0 to 9. Your first term is always starting from 1 or 2 or 10 or 20. Okay. So for example, we write here this form. Okay, because of here, so 0 minus 0.5, that means minus 0.5, and your class interval is always be right here in the positive form, in the plus sign. Okay, so here 10 minus 0.5, that means what? 9.5 to 19.5, because of here we add the 0.5. Got it? Here 20 minus 0.5, that means 19.5. Okay, 29 plus 0.5, that means 29.5. Got it? In the lower limit, subtract 0.05 to 30 minus 0.5. So we write here 29.5. And add 39 plus 0.5. So we write here 39.5. Got it? So see here, this is your interval converted into the exclusive form because of the first interval upper limit is 19.5. So in the next interval lower limit is 19.5. So, okay. So always keep in mind, if your interval given in this form, okay, and this type of format, your interval not started in the zero form. Because of if your interval started in the zero form, so you write here the minus 0.5, and this is not valid in the class interval. Okay, so always subtract from the lower limit of the first class interval minus upper limit of the second class interval. So here and divided by the 2, we get the 0.5. So subtract all the lower limit and add all the upper limits. Okay, so this interval converted in the exclusive form. Okay, so this is the example of the arithmetic mean. So this is the next example for finding the arithmetic mean with the help of assumed mean. Okay, so here the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And according to this x, we have the value of f, that is the frequency 2, 8, 43, 133, 207, 260, 213, 120, 54, 9 and 1. Okay, so this is the value of x and this is the value of f. So with the help of finding the arithmetic mean with the help of assumed mean, so first we consider the value of a in the column of x. Okay, so first you check here the total number of term is 11. Total number of term is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So middle term is what? Middle term is 5. Okay, so here the a is equal to 5. So we write here a is equal to 5. For example, here the last term is not included in this question. So total number of term is 10. Got it? So total number of term is 10. So we have in the middle terms we have the two values 4 and 5. Okay. So you consider a is equal to 4 or a is equal to 5. Both are correct. But the correct process is what? Correct process is you see here according to 4. 4 and 5 both have the middle value. So according to 4, your frequency is 207. Got it? And according to 5, your frequency is 260. 260. So what is the maximum frequency? Maximum frequency is 260. So we consider according to 260, your value of x is what? Value of x is 5. So you consider a is equal to 5. Got it? So here a is equal to 5 because the total number of term is 11. So number of term given in the odd form. So always you check, consider the middle term. Okay. Next we write here b is equal to x minus a. So a is equal to 5 and this is your column of x. So 0 minus 5 that means minus 5. 1 minus 5 that means minus 4. 2 minus 5 that means minus 3. 3 minus 5 that means minus 2, 4 minus 5 that means minus 1, 5 minus 5 that means 0, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 5 3, 9 minus 5 4 and 10 minus 5 5. Okay, so first we mark the column of D. Okay, next one is the column of FD according to our formula. Okay, so this is your A column and this is your B column. So 2 into minus 5 that means minus 10. 8 into minus 4 that means minus 32. 43 into minus 3 that means minus 129. 133 into minus 2 that means minus 266. 207 into minus 1 that means minus 207. Got it? 260 into 0 that means 0. 213 into 1 so 213. Okay, 120 into 2 that means 240. 54 into 3 162. 9 into 4 36 and 1 into 5 that means 5. Okay, so here next we map the column of the FD. So here the summation FD is equal to what? Summation FD is equal to 12. Okay, and the summation F. So summation F is the value is 1050. Got it? So put all these values in this formula. So x bar is equal to a. A is equal to 5. We consider this the value of a is equal to 5. 5 plus summation FD that means 12. And the capital N that means summation F is equal to 1050. Okay, so your final answer is 5 plus 0.114. 12 divided by 1050 that means 0.0114. 0.0114. Okay, so our final answer is 5.0114. This is the example of the mean with the help of assumed mean. Okay, so this is very easy example, but some trick is what if your question given in the number of term is what. So this is very easy process for finding the middle term. But in case your question given in the number of terms in the even form, so always in the middle term you have the two values. Okay, so you randomly select both 4 or 5 any one values, both are correct. Okay, but if your question given in according to frequency form, so always keep in mind first you check the frequency according to both the terms. Okay, and consider the maximum frequency. With the help of this frequency you write here the assumed mean. Okay, so this is the example of the arithmetic mean with the help of assumed mean. I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.